Alright, so we're going to attempt to pop this out again. This time I'm going to be using a flathead screwdriver and some electrical tape. I've seen someone do this online, so let's see if I can get it out that way. It kind of scares me because I'm worried the plastic is going to get damaged. But I mean, if it's what we got to do, it's what we got to do, right? Okay, so what I'm going to do, let me see if I can move this to kind of show you. I'm going to get 2 pieces of tape actually. Alright, and what we're going to do here is first I'm actually going to wrap this way. Okay. Alright, we're just going to wrap it around in a circle like this. Oops, sorry. Just like this. Alright, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this one over the top just to kind of help make it so that when I push it in, it's going to keep the tape in place. Okay, so let's go ahead and see. I'm gonna try and zoom in here for you guys. I need to probably tilt it down. Back, sorry about that. The neighbor came to talk, so let's see if we can pop this out now with this screwdriver here. We're gonna try and get this in there. Oh no, it's gonna be a really tight fit. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that. Let's see. So we'll get this. Wow, okay, I think I'm just making the, okay, that works, but I think I damaged the thing of tape. It popped out a little bit. Yeah, I might need to change this up a bit, because it okay, let's see if we can get more of this screwdriver into here again, and see if we can pop that out, and it looks like it, oh, I might need a way to keep holding it. So you can see the tape just ripped. So I need a way to reinforce this tape somehow, because that's not going to work. Or maybe I shouldn't put it the wrapped around way because it makes the screwdriver too thick. Let's go ahead and peel this up and see. Okay, I'm going to peel this off and then I'll be back. See you guys in a bit. Alright, so this time let's just try 2 pieces of tape wrapped over the top edge. Okay, so just like this, and hopefully that will prevent it from breaking itself. Alright, and let's go ahead and get in there. And okay, I mean, it is popping out, but it is really difficult. Okay, let's go ahead and try from this other side. I'm getting phone calls and stuff, but let's see, can we even get the tool back in here now on this side? No? Alright, I guess once I pop this side, it's too tough on that. So let's try and go from the top now. Okay, I'm gonna have to move the camera around because it's in my way. But you can see we can actually pop this out. Okay, I think once we get one going, you can actually see how the clips look. When I saw the YouTube videos, they didn't really show the clips, so I couldn't really see how it was held in there. Let's go ahead and continue going down. I'm gonna zoom out a bit for you guys. And let's see. Man, they keep calling me. All right, let's go ahead and try to pop this. All right, and it's coming out. And I'll show you guys how the clips all look so that you can see in the future how to take this out, because that's important to see all those clips. Alright, let's go ahead and go on this side again and see, can we get this clip out? Why is this one stuck so much stronger? Oh, there we go. Okay, so we got those out. Let's go ahead and go over to here, and there we go. So here you can see what the clips look like. They look like this. Alright. Got the clips on the bottom, you got the clips on the top. Some people cut these to make it easier. And let's see, I can show you the tow package here now. I'll give you guys a really close-up look. Maybe I need to turn on the flash so you can see inside better, but you have this plastic here. Let's see, okay, there's the tow assembly, and you got this hole here for putting in like a pin and stuff. You got, I don't know how much space that is. That's maybe 5 inches or so that you can kind of reach, 4 or 5 inch that you can reach in here, put a pin. You can probably like get the pin in and go diagonal. All right, and you got this here, so you can open that up, and you got this kind of plug adapter here. All right, and it's spring loaded, so it pops itself back up. All right, and that's upside down, so I don't know why they put this upside down, but there you go. Electrical brakes. RH stop, turn, back up lamp, LH stop, turn, and running lamp. Okay, so they have all of that, and that's what it looks like in there. Let me see if the flash helps at all or changes anything, so you can kind of see inside. Here you can see inside there, you can see some wiring, okay? Alright. You can see inside the little toe thing, and in there. And I don't think, let me flip my camera upside down and see if I can show anything in here. My camera can't fit in there, so sorry. I was trying to focus to see if you guys can see in there, but I guess not. Nope. Okay. But I'm pretty sure you can see a little bit of wire harness and stuff in there as well. But yeah, so that's the toe hitch assembly thing. I'm gonna actually put this back on. Here you can see, oh, there's a little bit of extra plastic here that's kind of there. Let me see if I show you guys the edges of this plastic stuff. Sorry, here we go. So here you can see how it fits in. Alright, and let's go ahead and pop this thing back in. I'm gonna put this on the camera on the tripod again, and then I will pop that in for you guys so that you can kind of see how it goes back. I don't know when I'm ever going to use the tow hitch, but I figured I'd add it just in case. Okay. And let's go ahead and try and pop this in. Just got to get it all lined back up, and then I think just push it. Yeah, it clicks in nice and easy. Alright, so there we go. So I don't know, if you plan to ever tow anything, you might want to keep some electrical tape and flathead screwdriver around. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Alright, oh, and the other thing, I'm assuming this is for the little tow bar. I'm surprised, I think usually I don't see these on the back, I only see them on the front. So let's go ahead and pop this out as well, if I can. Do I need to use the screwdriver again? At least I hope this isn't like some sensor that I'm gonna be damaging, because usually I only see the tow hook thingy on the front. Okay, so here you can see it pops out. Oh, I'm getting a phone call. Okay, so this came out just like that. And what do we have in here actually? I don't know what this is, it's just a hole. Okay, so let me show you guys a close-up of this. Okay, so I don't know what this hole is for. If anyone knows, let me know. There's access to a bolt there. Access to another bolt there, and there's like a QR code kind of thingy there. Alright, actually I should probably go to the front and show you guys the actual one with the little toe, whatever that hook circle loop thingy is. Alright, let's put this thing back in. Hopefully I'm not damaging anything. How did that fit like that? I'm confused. Uh-oh, I hope I didn't mess this up. How did this go in? Up like this? Okay, I guess it goes up like that, and I rotated it weird. So this one has like little clampy things, I'm guessing goes into here, and then this hook kind of just goes up here, I think. Alright, yep, there we go. Okay, so we pop that in. Alright, let's go around to the front now and see if we can pop out the other one. Alright, we'll see you at the front. Okay, so we're now at the front of the car. We got this circle here, so how can we easily pop this out without risking damaging anything? Let's see. We'll try with this flathead screwdriver again. Okay, I'm pushing on the bottom to try and make it flip forward a little so I can get this in there. And then, I don't know, it's pushing forward. Oh, okay, maybe I should push this side and then get under here. There we go. Okay, so that's the trick. So because they have this tab, you want to push this side forward and then you can get to that. Here you can see there's these two wires in here. Alright, that's the first I've ever seen this before. Hello, give me a second. So in there you have this little screw thing. You got that. We're gonna open this and we're gonna pull this out. So you have that, we're gonna pull it out from here. Okay, you just get your finger in there. And you got this. And the thing with this that a lot of people mess up, usually you twist this counterclockwise, not clockwise, okay? So as you can see, I'm twisting it counterclockwise. All right. And all right, it takes quite a few turns. So there you go, and then you can tighten it, and now you can use that to pull the car. But anyways, I'm going to take this back out. We're going to put it away. You can actually see on this it has like a little Tesla thingy on it. All right, so this is specifically for the Tesla. All right, I gotta be careful I don't drop this onto the thing. And now we're gonna repeat the thing to show how to take out the little circle easily. Okay, so there we go, we got that out. I think you might not actually even need tools to take the thing out, so we're gonna push this side in and then push that in. Okay, actually, I like to see the Tesla logo thingy side, so we're gonna put it on that, not that it matters. All right, let's close this up. Okay, and let's put this thing back on here. Okay, so this, make sure the wires go in. This one goes up to the top corner, and then these clips, just like the other side, go into that bottom thing down there. So make sure it lines up and pop it in. So again, I think you can do this without tools. You just push this forward and then you can actually pop it out. Yeah, okay. So there you go. Let's go ahead and check the back one and see if we can do the same thing. All right, we'll go to the back. Okay, so I'm assuming the back one is the same. Push up here, and if you push hard enough, you can flip it forward. Yeah, okay. So that is the trick. You can get that out. I wonder, there must be a trick to the other one as well, because it would be dumb if there wasn't. But there we go. We're gonna put that back in, line it back up at the bottom, and pop that. And there we go. All right, so that's the trick to these little circle thingies. Anyways, don't be popping out people's little circle covers. That'll be messed up, but yeah. All right, I don't know if there's a trick to this one. I didn't see anything special other than the clips here were a little different, but yeah. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this video helps some of you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.